doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, you can do what you gotta do what you gotta do. You know, it doesn't matter how beautiful it looks. Yeah, mine's not beautiful. If anyone thinks this is beautiful, then okay, I guess. Let's make a green line going down here so they know that's the end. So let's make it dark green so they know it's very special and it's the end. Nice. Save our project because we don't want to lose this beautiful piece of art. Going to paint. Going to make an outline of 4. That's going to be black. It's going to be a square. And it's going to be red, I guess. So you click, you press shift. So that's a perfect square. Try making it pretty small. A 24 by 24 with pixels is perfect for this. We're going to call it player. We're going to call this level 1. If we duplicate level 1, it's going to become until level 2. Let's go to the player. So that's first up. And green flag clicked. Go to whatever works for you with this. Whatever can work with you with this will do perfectly fine. Forever. If key right arrow is pressed, then change X by 3. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, it's perfect. Then let's do an if left arrow is clicked. Let's do -3. Now you can move around. Perfect, I guess. He can move around. Now we gotta make him jump. Let's make a new green flag clicked. Just set it up like so. A green flag click forever. If key up arrow is pressed, then it's going to wait, actually, let's make a variable. Let's call it player y speed. Perfect. Now then set player y speed to, let's say, 20. Also here, we always have to do here what was it gonna, oh yeah, change y by player y speed. So that will make it just fly. Yeah, we don't want that. But, and also, we're going to add and touching color and the grass color. So here, it's perfect. Like here, that doesn't work. So we're going to set player y speed to 0 after the green flag clicked. So now when you jump, you just fly for 10 years. And who wants that? Also, let's make that an if else, actually. Put that in the if. And else, in the else, if not touching that color, then change player y speed by -4. But also, if touching color the brown. Then set player Y speed to 0, and let's create a block called smooth landing, and run without screen refresh. Otherwise it won't work. Smooth landing, and also you will set smooth landing. Smooth landing. Repeat until not duplicate this, touching that color, change Y by 1. So that should work out perfectly. So we jump. Let's look at this. If not touching, wait, what was it again that I was doing? If not touching that color, wait, it should be if I'm touching that color. Perfect. Here it's to change Y by 3, I guess. Let's see. So you can jump now. And also, this here, it's pretty smooth. Here. Perfect. So we start off, you can jump. Except this here though, that's just slow. So let's change it to 5 and -5. So it just doesn't work. It's like that bad. So here, that's how you make a smooth jumping thing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please make sure to like and subscribe.